In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Microsoft Word. Losing important content can be frustrating, especially when you have spent time working on a document. The good news is that in many situations, your deleted text or file can still be recovered. In this guide, I will walk you through the proper methods to retrieve deleted content, whether it is text inside a document, an unsaved file, or an entire document that was removed from your computer. If you accidentally removed text while working in an open document, the fastest way to bring it back is by using the undo command. Simply press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard or click the undo icon located in the upper left corner of the window. Microsoft Word keeps a record of your recent actions, so you can continue pressing undo to step backward through multiple changes. Keep in mind that this method only works while the document remains open. Once it is closed, that undo history is cleared. If the entire Word document was deleted from your computer, check the recyclebin first. Open the recyclebin from your desktop, locate the file, right-click it, and choose Restore. The file will automatically return to its original folder location. For files stored in OneDrive, sign into your account online and open the recyclebin section. If the deleted document appears there, restore it before the retention period expires. To prevent future data loss, make sure autosave is turned on when using cloud storage, and consider adjusting the auto recover save interval in the Word settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.